As with all precision instruments, the dial caliper should be handled carefully and never abused. The accuracy of the gauge should be checked regularly. First, ensure that the jaw faces are clean, flat, and have no burrs. Then, close the jaws together and note the position of the gauge needle, which should be exactly on the 0 line. If the needle is not at the 0 position, then slacken the dial face lock screw and carefully rotate the dial until the needle sits exactly over the 0. Then lock up the screw. During work operations, it is important to keep the caliper away from wet surfaces, such as the splashing of a machine's cooling liquid. Never lay the instrument on a hot surface. Always keep the instrument on a clean surface, preferably in its case when not in use. Care should be taken to ensure the instrument is never dropped or bumped. After use, the instrument should be cleaned, sprayed lightly with an anti-rust and lubricating oil, and stored in its protective case with the brown anti-moisture paper. That concludes this program. You can learn other skills by viewing future Tech AV programs.